Pause. Because this message isn't random. It's from Allah, sent directly to your heart. And He wants to remind you today. Ask, and ask big. Don't hold back when making dua. Don't limit your dreams when you're standing before Al-Malik, the King of all kings. Some people hesitate, thinking, I shouldn't ask for too much. I should stay humble. But the Prophet ﷺ said, when you ask Allah, ask with full conviction. Ask Him for whatever your heart desires, because nothing is too great for Allah. He never gets tired of your voice. He never tires of giving. Allah says, O my slaves, if every human and jinn stood together and asked me for everything their hearts desired, and I gave all of them what they asked for, it would not decrease my kingdom more than a drop taken from an endless ocean. So, why limit yourself? Don't say if you will. Say with certainty, Ya Allah, grant me. Make your du'as massive, make them bold. And remember, if He doesn't give now, He's storing it for you. He might answer immediately. He might protect you from a harm instead. Or He might save it for the day when you'll need it most. On that day, He'll hand you treasures you didn't know you owned, rewards from every whispered du'a you thought was unanswered. So ask, because His mercy is endless and His generosity never ends. This is Allah's message to your heart today. Now, whisper this du'a. Allahumma اجعلني من السائلين الكثيرين ومن المجابين في الدنيا والآخرة. O Allah, make me among those who ask you often, and those whose du'as you answer, in this life and the next. Comment, Ya Allah, I trust your mercy. Share this video with someone who needs hope. Subscribe for more reminders from Allah's mercy.